I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never done it this way before. Prepare a container and squeeze a tablespoon of toothpaste into it. Any cheap toothpaste you have at home will do. Then, add 200 milliliters of warm water. Mix until the toothpaste dissolves. The next ingredient is dish soap. Measure out 2 tablespoons and add it to the mixture. Finally, pour in vinegar. Make sure it's white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons. Mix everything thoroughly. Get a spray bottle and use a funnel to pour in the mixture you just made. When you take out your fan in the spring, its blades and casing are covered in dust. Spray it generously with the solution. It's very important to clean it thoroughly before the first use. Dust and mites can cause runny noses, allergies, and respiratory problems. The solution will get into all the nooks and crannies without having to disassemble the casing. Once you've thoroughly sprayed the fan, take a clean trash bag and put it over the fan, tying it securely. Then, turn on the highest setting. The mixture will spread throughout the fan and expel the dust. It only takes 1 minute. After that, just remove the bag and throw it away. If you want, you can wipe the fan with a cloth, but you don't have to, and you're done. There's an important reason why you should set your radiators to 5 during the summer. It sounds strange, but it makes sense. It can save you a lot of stress and money in the fall. Many people, when their radiators aren't in use during the summer, leave the thermostat valve set to 0, thinking it's the best solution. However, what seems like a simple method can lead to problems during the heating season. After weeks of inactivity, the radiator valve can get stuck. Dirt and limescale accumulate, and when the first cold days arrive, the radiator won't heat. That's why instead of turning it to 0, do this. Set the valve to 5, the maximum opening. The radiator won't start heating since the heating system isn't on in the summer, so the valve will stay open. It's a small detail that most people don't know or forget. Setting your radiator like this guarantees that your radiator will heat properly in the fall. With this method, you'll save time and money on repairs. No stress, no extra expenses, and no cold evenings under the blanket. Put socks on the fan blades, a brilliant solution that will make your life easier. A ceiling fan cools you in the heat and helps circulate warm air in winter. The problem, though, is cleaning it. A simple trick is to use socks. Old or worn-out socks work perfectly. Have as many as there are blades. Spray one side with detergent and spread it thoroughly over the fabric. Then slowly and carefully wrap each blade from the center so the entire surface is covered, and secure the side with a clothespin so it stays in place during cleaning. Move the sock very slowly along the blade, pressing gently. You'll see it pick up all the dust, dirt, and greasy buildup from the top and bottom. The dust stays on the sock, so nothing gets into the air. You can adjust the sock position as you go to always have a clean section for wiping. This method keeps the mess to a minimum and lets you clean even hard-to-reach spots thoroughly. Repeat for each blade, and your fan will be sparkling clean and bright, ready to work all year round. Attach a wooden clothespin to your radiator. It's one of the simplest ways to make your home smell fresh. All you need is an ordinary wooden clothespin. Natural wood absorbs scents well and releases them gradually. Take the clothespin and add a few drops of essential oil. The choice of scent is up to you. Gently rotate it and wait a moment for the aroma to soak into the wood. You can also lightly spray the clothespin with an air freshener, slightly moistening the surface. Leave it for a moment so the scent can absorb properly. You can also use your favorite perfume. One light spritz is enough for the wood to absorb the fragrance and release it slowly. Let the clothespin sit briefly so the aroma can set. Once it's ready, clip it onto the radiator. You can use several at once to enhance the effect. Then, turn on the heat. The warmth will gradually spread the fragrance throughout the room. This keeps the space smelling fresh for a long time. It's a simple and inexpensive way to keep your home pleasantly scented all day. A mechanic shared this secret with me. Just set your fan to full power and direct the airflow straight at the windshield. Then prepare a simple mix of water, alcohol, and a little tea tree oil. When you spray it onto the vent under the windshield, the air pulls the mixture in and spreads it evenly. This helps the moisture disappear faster, and the light layer of oil keeps the glass clear for longer. I put a bag over the fan and couldn't believe the results. I had never tried this trick before, and it's a shame, because it works amazingly well. All you need is a container and a bit of regular toothpaste. Squeeze in about a teaspoon of toothpaste, then add 1 cup of white vinegar and ½ cup of warm water. Close the bottle and shake it well until everything dissolves. This mixture does a fantastic job of removing dust and grime from the fan, without scrubbing, without disassembling, and without the risk of cutting yourself. Now get a spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour your cleaning solution into it. When you pull out your fan for the summer, you'll often see dust on the blades and housing. It's a very common problem. Take the spray and mist the entire fan. The liquid will get into every little corner, and you won't need to take anything apart. Now comes the most important part, so pay attention. Take a medium-sized trash bag and place it over the fan. Once it's secure, turn the fan on and let it run for 5 minutes. That's it. The airflow pulls the dust right off. No scrubbing, no tools, no effort. Sprinkle baking soda generously over the fan. Then scrub it thoroughly with a brush. Use a sponge to remove dirt more effectively, and finally take a toothbrush to clean hard-to-reach areas. This will help you get rid of all the built-up dust and grime. Now, prepare a larger bowl and pour in regular water. Add a small amount of toothpaste onto a spoon, mix it into the water, and stir until it dissolves. Then add 3 tablespoons of dish soap, which effectively cuts through grease and helps remove dirt. Add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda to boost the cleaning power of the mixture. Pour in vinegar, which disinfects and eliminates unpleasant odors, and mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and, using a funnel, pour the mixture into it, then close it. Spray the fan on one side and then the other. Place a trash bag over the fan and turn it on. All the dirt will be blown into the bag along with the water, leaving your fan perfectly clean. It's a simple way to clean a fan without taking it apart. You need to do this before the heating season starts. A simple mixture that will leave your radiator clean and looking like new. Just pour it in and watch all the dirt flush out within seconds. You won't believe how much grime hides inside. Throughout the year, when the radiator isn't working, dust and residue build up. The moment you turn it on, everything spreads into the air and around your home. That's why, before winter comes, prepare it with this easy trick. Take a large container and add 2 scoops of laundry detergent. The detergent not only dissolves dirt, but also refreshes and leaves a pleasant scent. Then pour in about 2 cups of warm water and stir until fully dissolved. Place a pot or bowl under the radiator and slowly pour the mixture through its inside. All the dust and buildup from months will flush right out. Within moments, you'll see the water turn dark and cloudy. Proof the dirt is gone. It's the best way to remove dust thoroughly. This way, warm air won't spread dust, but will fill your home with cleanliness and freshness. A simple trick that makes a huge difference.